Hi guys, in this tutorial I'll teach you how you can set up quarter goals in money.com. For example, if you work by dividing your year in 4 quarters, like a lot of people do, a lot of businesses do, and you want to manage each quarter individually, you have separate goals for each quarter of the year, then you can use a template that is very useful in money.com. So you can create it manually, but it will take a lot of time, so I suggest you use a template. Under main workspace, click this blue button, then click choose from templates. Here you have to search for action plan. This one, click on it and click use template. Alright guys, as you can see, the template is set up and it has created our goals, but you can see that these goals are for months, not for quarters. Like this is January goals, February, we can add new group for maybe March goals, April. But since we want to manage quarter goals, all we have to do is remove January and add Q1, 3 goals. So, and now you can manage all of your goals, like your goals for quarter 1, you can write them here. You can write your notes here for quarter 1 goals. For quarter 2 goals, you can use this one, and for quarter 3 goals, you can use this group. So this is how you create quarter goals in monday.com. I hope this tutorial was helpful. We'll see you in the next one. Thanks.